Hey there, everyone. Thanks so much for joining us again here at Talk Walk English, where picking up English is both simple and enjoyable. My name's Bella.
Hi, Bella, and a warm hello to everyone tuning in. Really wonderful to have you all here with us once again.
Absolutely. So, how's your day going, Jimmy?
Couldn't be better, honestly. The weather's gorgeous, I've got my cup of joe, and I'm in a great mood. What about yourself?
I'm feeling fantastic, and I'm particularly thrilled today because we've lined up something truly special for our audience.
Oh, something special. Now you've got my attention. What's on the agenda?
Today, we're diving into something crucial for everyone learning English: mastering the art of speaking confidently with anyone, anywhere.
Now, that's an amazing subject, Bella. Building confidence. It's absolutely essential, though I'll admit it can sometimes feel pretty intimidating.
You're right, it definitely can. But that's exactly why we're here, to share some straightforward strategies that'll make the whole process enjoyable.
Perfect. I'm all ears.
Same here. But hold on just a second. Before we jump in, there's a quick favor we'd love to ask.
We'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for our channel.
Yes, exactly. And while you're at it, show this episode some love with a thumbs up.
Oh, and if possible, spread the word to your friends and family. Every share helps us reach more people, and we're genuinely grateful for your support.
We truly are. All right then, let's talk confidence. Where should we kick things off, Jimmy?
Let's begin with something manageable, Bella. Really, truly manageable. There's no need to aim for flawlessness.
Manageable sounds perfect to me. What exactly do you have in mind?
Well, you can kick things off with nothing more than a single word paired with a genuine smile.
A single word? Which one?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, I can definitely handle that. Pretty straightforward.
Exactly. And when you greet someone, make sure you flash a warm, welcoming smile. A smile transcends all language barriers. It communicates, I'm approachable. Feel free to chat with me.
So accurate. Whenever someone smiles my way, I instantly feel more at ease.
Precisely. So there's your initial move. Offer a hello paired with a smile. You can try this anywhere, at a store, with someone in your building, literally anywhere.
All right, I've got my hello and my smile down. What's the next move?
Following that, you'll want to pose a really basic question.
A basic question? Something like, how are you doing?
Exactly right. How are you is a classic friendly opener.
So the sequence is greet them, smile, and then ask how they're doing.
That's all there is to it. Look at that. You've already started a brief exchange. Well done.
Wow, I really have. That actually feels encouraging. Are there other simple questions I could use?
Absolutely. One reliable topic is always the weather. It's constantly changing and incredibly easy to discuss.
The weather. I'm on board with that. So I might say something like, what a lovely day we're having.
Perfect example. Or you could frame it as a question, such as, pretty chilly out there, isn't it?
Right. Or maybe we're getting beautiful sunshine today, don't you think?
That's excellent, Bella. It's uncomplicated, warm, and literally everyone has thoughts about the weather.
This is helpful. I don't need an extensive vocabulary to discuss weather patterns.
Not even close. Just a handful of basic terms will do. That's really the trick. Begin with what you're already comfortable with.
That genuinely puts me at ease. What about our physical presence during conversations? How we carry ourselves?
Great question. Your body language plays a massive role in projecting confidence.
So, what's the approach? Should I maintain good posture and stand upright?
Definitely. Make an effort to stand tall. Pull your shoulders backwards. It'll make you look and actually feel more self-assured.
Got it. Shoulders back, almost like a superhero stance.
Yes, channel your inner conversation superhero. And avoid staring down at the ground or your footwear.
Understood. I won't have discussions with my feet. I'll direct my attention toward the person. Is making eye contact appropriate?
Absolutely. Eye contact is really valuable. You don't have to maintain an intense stare. Just glance their way for a few moments. It demonstrates that you're engaged and actively listening.
Okay, so the formula is stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. That's memorable.
Excellent. Now what about your hands?
My hands? I tend to stick them in my pockets when nervousness kicks in.
Lots of people have that habit. But try leaving your hands visible instead of hiding them away. It projects a more welcoming, comfortable vibe.
So just leave them relaxed at my sides?
Exactly. Or feel free to gesture a bit while speaking. It can enhance your explanations and make you seem more animated.
I like that idea. Open posture, open dialogue.
Precisely. So you've offered your greeting and posed a question. What happens next?
Hmm. I should pay attention to their response.
You're absolutely nailing Miss Bella. Listening might actually be the single most important element of any conversation.
Really? Even more crucial than what I say?
I genuinely believe so. When you truly tune into someone, they feel valued. They'll enjoy talking with you much more.
That makes logical sense. So instead of mentally rehearsing my next comment, I should just focus on listening.
That's the real secret. Just relax and absorb what they're sharing.
But Jimmy, what happens if I can't grasp what they're saying? That's honestly a major concern of mine.
And it troubles many learners, but please don't stress about it. It's totally acceptable if you don't catch everything.
I feel like I've somehow failed when I don't understand.
Not at all. Learning any language is a process. Asking for clarification is perfectly fine.
What should I say?
Try something like, "Sorry, could you say that again, please?" It's both polite and incredibly useful.
Sorry, could you say that again, please? I should definitely practice that.
Yes, alternatively, "Could you slow down a bit, please?" works great. Most people are more than willing to accommodate.
That's reassuring to know. It removes so much pressure. Seeking help is actually okay.
It's better than okay. It shows genuine interest in the conversation.
This is all fantastic, but I'm still somewhat anxious about trying. Where's an ideal spot to practice?
You can practice in low-stakes environments, really casual situations.
Like having a chat with my dog?
Your dog probably listens wonderfully, I'm sure. But I was thinking more along the lines of a coffee shop.
A coffee shop? Tell me more about that.
When you stop by for coffee, that's your practice opportunity. Greet the barista with a hello.
Ah, and include that smile.
Exactly. Then order with, "I'd like one coffee, please." And when they hand it over, say, "Thanks so much. Hope you have a great day."
That's actually a complete interaction, yet it's brief and straightforward. I can absolutely do that.
Without a doubt. And each time you practice, you'll notice your confidence building bit by bit.
Where else would work well?
The grocery store is another option. While checking out, smile and acknowledge the cashier. Just a brief, pleasant exchange.
These are wonderful suggestions. Little everyday interactions are ideal for practice. Zero pressure.
Exactly right. Each brief conversation is a tiny win for your confidence.
I really like that framing. A tiny win. What if I want to be particularly friendly? Any other things I could say?
Ooh, you could offer someone a compliment.
A compliment, like saying something kind about them?
Yes, people genuinely appreciate receiving nice comments. It brightens their mood.
What's an easy compliment to give?
It can be incredibly simple, like, "I really like your shirt," or "That color looks wonderful on you."
How about, I like your watch? Does that work?
That's perfect. Simple, warm, and thoughtful.
And after they thank me, what should I do?
Just smile back or respond with, "You're welcome." A smile always works beautifully as a reply.
The smile really is my secret weapon in conversations.
It absolutely is. It smooths over countless awkward moments.
Jimmy, I've got another big worry though.
What's that?
Making errors. I'm terrified of messing up my grammar.
This tops the list of fears for so many students. But let me share something important with you.
What is it?
Mistakes are actually your allies.
My allies? I'm not convinced they feel like friends. They seem frightening.
No, hear me out. When you make an error, it proves you're making an effort. It demonstrates growth and learning. That's genuinely positive.
I've never looked at it from that angle. Mistakes being beneficial?
Absolutely. An error is evidence that you're courageous enough to speak up. And truthfully, most people won't even register minor slip ups.
Is that true?
Completely. The whole point of conversation is connecting with another human being. The aim is understanding each other, not achieving perfection.
Understanding, not perfection. I'm writing that down immediately. I absolutely love it.
Please do. Don't allow fear of mistakes to silence you. Just give it your best shot. That's always sufficient.
I'll work on being braver. Hearing you say that really helps.
Of course, everyone who speaks any language started as a beginner once. They all stumbled. That's the learning process.
What if they turn the question on me, like asking where I'm from?
That's an excellent question to anticipate. It's smart to have some simple self-introductions ready to go.
Prepare ahead of time? You mean rehearse them beforehand?
Yes, try standing before a mirror at home and practicing.
Okay, mirror conversations. I'll give that a shot.
It's genuinely helpful. You can rehearse lines like, "My name is Jimmy. I'm from Brazil. I work as a teacher."
Hi there, I'm Bella. I'm from Brazil. I host a podcast.
Perfect. When you've practiced it, the words will flow naturally when someone actually asks, and you'll feel remarkably confident.
That's a brilliant idea. I won't be scrambling for words. I'll be prepared.
Precisely. Preparation is a huge confidence boost.
All right, so I understand how to start conversations, but what about wrapping them up? I don't want to come across as rude.
Closing a conversation gracefully is definitely an important skill, and it's quite easy.
I can't exactly just bolt away, right?
Please don't flee. You can use a simple, pleasant closing phrase.
Such as,
Try something like, "It was really nice meeting you," or "I enjoyed chatting with you."
oh, both of those sound very courteous.
"I enjoyed chatting with you." I prefer that one.
It's great. And after saying that, you can add, have a fantastic day.
Have a fantastic day. That's so warm.
It really is. Then give one final smile and make your exit. A perfectly confident conclusion to your conversation.
Wow, Bella, these strategies are incredibly useful. I honestly feel ready to step outside and strike up a conversation immediately.
That's so wonderful to hear, Jimmy. And to everyone listening, remember that very first step is always the toughest. Just gather your courage and say hello.
Yes, a straightforward greeting, a warm smile, and an easy question. We're all capable of that.
And remember, mistakes are there to help you grow.
Yes, I'll keep that in mind. My new helpful friends.
Well, looks like we've reached the end of today's episode.
We sincerely hope these strategies boost your confidence when speaking English. Get out there and put them into practice.
Absolutely. And before you leave, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Talk Walk English, so you won't miss what we have coming next.
And if this episode provided value for you, show us some love with a like. It helps other students discover our podcast.
One more thing, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share with us what's your go-to tip for building confidence when speaking English. We absolutely treasure reading every single comment you leave. It's genuinely our favorite part of each week.
Thanks so much for tuning in.
Yes, thank you everyone. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.